Teacher tutors where we belong. Learning ABCs, let's sing and play. Count with us every day. Letters, numbers, arts and crafts. Join the fun and make some laughs. Teacher tutors is the place. Come to learn with a smiling face. A is for apple, B is for ball. Counting numbers, we know them all. Crafting projects.
Hello and welcome to Teacher Tutors. Today, we are excited to begin exploring letters in our book.
Read with us A Journey into Letters.
Come along. Let's begin learning the next letter. We have now the letter S. This is the uppercase letter S and the lowercase letter s. These are the words that starts with letter S. Let's read it together. Sun, star, shoes, school, sunflower. Now repeat after me. Sun, star, shoes, school, sunflower. Great job. Let's flip the page. We are now going to find all the capital letter S in the box. Let's start. This is A, B, S, F, D, A, S. This is also letter S. E, C, J, A, S. Another letter S. A, D, P, M, P, F, J, S. There you go. And circle letter S. Z, L, A, S. Go ahead and circle it. M, X, J, and S. These are all the letter S that we can find in our book. Did you all encircle it? Great job. Now flip the page. Okay, now let's get ready in answering and finding all the lowercase letter S in the box. Are you ready? Great job. Let's go. A, B, S, K, F, E, S, T, H, O, A, S. Great job. M, V, J, P, Y, A, P, J, S, A, and L. L, A, T, S. Great job. M, N, J, and finally, our last letter S. Do we all have the same answers? Great job. Now I am going to erase it and you are going to flip your book to the next page. Now we are going to encircle all the words that starts with letter S. Okay? I am going to read the word for you, so you have to listen. Let's start. Book, mouth, south. Good job. South starts with letter S. Mouse, shine. Yes, shine starts with letter S. Mop. Stem. Yes, stem starts with letter S. March, bear. Jacket, snow. Have you seen a snow? Okay, a snow starts with letter S. Wall, great. Kilo, sit. Let's encircle them. Shirt, okay, razor, quilt, gel, arch, slice. A slice starts with letter S. Dip. Ooh, Shantae. That's the name of our another teacher. Shantae. Does it start with letter S? Great job. Let's encircle it. And get. Good. So now we are going to read the words and you have to repeat the words after me. Are you ready? Let's start. South, shine, stem, snow, sit, shirt, slice, Shantae. Great job. We'll see you on our next letter.
Sing it right. Sunflower, sunflower, reaching high, turning to follow the golden sky. Yellow and bright, shining strong, dancing gently all day long. P-Q-R-S-T, now you know them just like me. Letters make the world so fun. Sing it again, our song's not done.